If you're trying to open x.com or Twitter on your PC and keep seeing the message, something went wrong, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is usually caused by a corrupted browser cache, blocked cookies, a browser extension like an ad blocker, or sometimes even a temporary server outage. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without changing anything complicated. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing I want you to try is clearing the site data and cookies for x.com. This is one of the most common fixes because old or corrupted browser data can stop the site from loading properly. So open x.com in your desktop browser, then look at the address bar and click the padlock icon or site information icon on the left side of the URL. From that menu, choose cookies or site settings, then look for the option to remove or clear cookies and site data for X. Once that's done, refresh the page and try signing in again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem immediately. If that doesn't work, the next method is to force a hard refresh. Sometimes your browser keeps showing a broken cached version of the page, even after you reload it normally. To fix that, make sure the X tab is selected, then press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. On some browsers, Shift plus F5 also works. This forces the page to reload from scratch and can clear out visual cache issues that cause the error. Now, if you're still getting the same message, try opening X in an incognito or private window. This is a really helpful test because it disables many extensions and gives you a clean browser session. To do that, click your browser menu in the top right corner, then choose New Incognito Window if you're using Chrome or Edge, or New Private Window if you're using Firefox. After that, go to x.com and try logging in again. If it works in incognito, then the issue is very likely caused by an extension, especially an ad blocker or privacy tool. In that case, you'll want to disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. Another fix you should try is adjusting your cookie settings, especially if you're using Chrome. Some browsers block third-party cookies by default, and that can break X's login or loading process. To check this, go into your browser settings, then open Privacy and Security. From there, click on Third-Party Cookies. You can temporarily allow all cookies, or better yet, add twitter.com or x.com to the list of sites that are always allowed to use cookies. Then go back and test the site again. This is a very important step if the error keeps coming back after you log in. And finally, if none of those methods work, the problem may not be on your side at all. X could be having a temporary outage or service issue. To check that, go to Downdetector.com, use the search bar to look up X, and then review the live reports graph. If you see a spike in reports, that means other people are having the same issue and you may just need to wait it out for a while. So to quickly recap, start by clearing cookies and site data, then try a hard refresh, then test in incognito or private mode, adjust cookie settings if needed, and finally check for server outages. One of these fixes usually gets X working again on PC. If this video helped you fix the error, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. And it also tells me to make more simple step-by-step tech fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.